Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. If you are thinking that I am from an episode of Hollywood Botched with these lips, or you're thinking I got filler again, wrong. Mucosis cysts. Google it. Or don't. It's disgusting. My 3-year-old has decided to continuously punch me in the mouth, which has now caused these cysts, and I look full as anything. Everybody was commenting on Instagram and saying I'm using the full Amrezy filters, which I'm not. I'm just using the smoothing skin filter, but these are actually my lips filled with cysts. I mean, I guess people would pay lots of money to have such plump lips, but they kill. It really hurts. Today I'm here with an exciting unboxing from Chanel 22S. Can you guys guess by the thumbnail? However, there's a twist. It was going to be a double unboxing, but there will be another quick unboxing to come because it hasn't come in the post, but we'll get straight into this one. Stay watching till the end because I will have a giveaway, which is really exciting. It is a luxury, so stay till the end to see what that is. So this was one of those, I feel everybody is freaking out over the collection, freaking out over the handbags or accessories, SLGs. They are considered as SLGs, and yes, I freaked out as well as everybody else. However, and I was prepared to pay, you know, a reseller price, that's fine. But I wanted a colour that was not obtainable in Australia from the boutique apparently, or they only got a small amount, and I hunted and hunted and hunted. This is not that colour. This is from a reseller / consignment store in Melbourne. So proud. Australia, EMEA. This is not sponsored, I'm not partnering with them, but they are fantastic. I will link to their shop below. Really, they were just fantastic, really helped me out. Really good stock. Check them out, especially if you're planning on consigning. They have their money back authenticity certificate that comes with the bag, which is amazing. So you're really assured of that authentic, you know, with resellers and whatnot. They're 100%. They all are 100%. I get asked a lot in DMs like, should I trust resellers? Could they be fake? No, they're not fake. They can't afford to be fake. Not in this day and age, trust me. When you see fake, you would know fake. And to be honest, big sites are scouring so much now that you really can tell, okay? It's really crap. Let's go ahead and unbox this beauty to share with you guys. Thumbnail. So comes exactly like boutique. Camellia, which is the 22 Camellia, which is hard as. And ribbon, gorgeous, beautiful little SLG box, so cute. I have to actually slide this off because I want to do a reel with this bag as well. So slipping it off like so. We have the box, and I'll give you all of the details on the back of the box. It still has all its detail information on the side, which is gorgeous. Actual paper proof of purchase from EMEA down in the box as well, which is nice. So that's in the file as well. And then obviously you guys can guess by the size, but which one did I choose and what is it? There is kind of like a little explanation. Let me get it the right way around. There is a little explanation, but here we go. Ta-da! Oh, it's so gorgeous. Everybody that's unboxed these or shown them on Instagram or done like, you know, reels or what fits in it and things like that, look, it's like, you can do like the little heart. It really is tiny, and it's cute that they classify that as an SLG. I like that they do, because that's really, you know, it ain't a handbag, girl. It ain't a handbag. So obviously this is the famous 22S heart collection. Flawed, okay? Yes, I have my game on. Where am I turning? I put some bags out in the background for you guys from my last video, so you can have a little bit of eye candy, not that you can really see it. But yes, I have my Game On heart bag from Louis Vuitton, and that was a phenomenon as well, obviously. But what Chanel did with this collection, and the way, if you watch the runway, it was so beautiful, the parade. The way they did this in the sense of having the large, this is the small, and then there is the belt bag, and then there is the wrist chain, elastic wrist heart, which my 3-year-old could wear, and then punch me in the mouth. At least it would be Chanel punch, right? But the way that they did this, and then obviously the array of colors, I mean, Virginia, it's just a gold mine. How could anyone resist, right? So up close, let's turn my lights down and get you a nice shot. Obviously the chain is inside, so the zip is undone right now, but you can sort of see the size versus my hand. I mean, tiny, but not as tiny as we're used to. I mean, what are we not used to in this, you know, stage of luxury, honestly? So you actually, in this small size, you have a working turn lock, which I think is insane. Like, that's just such a beautiful detail. And then a full pocket, a full working front pocket as well, hence the felt cover. So they did the heart on the side, and there's the CC logo on the heart. It's just gorgeous. I'll get some up close shots. And then they did the Mona Lisa smile pocket on the back, which is also a functioning like card case pocket size. Inside it opens to burgundy lining, so classic style. I have my authenticity card down inside. This is not chipped. It is classified as an SLG or an accessory, so it's still got an authenticity card. Only handbags have the microchip. So there that is inside the little bag, and then it has its stamp on the inside to match with that card. And then the beautiful chain is down inside. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, because it's such a dainty small chain. It's not like a wok. It's even smaller than a wok. It's almost like a necklace. It's almost like jewelry. It's so pretty. It is so pretty. So it is non-detachable here. It moves, which is really nice. The actual grommets have CC engraved in them. Attention to detail, next level, obviously. It's so gorgeous. So there is the size, and you have Chanel Paris made in France stamped on the back there, and that is sort of the interior full capacity. So I suppose card holder width, and then kind of lipstick or like a gloss depth. That was a pretty good explanation. I've heard the zipper is smooth, however, because of the love heart shape, unlike the Game On, which goes down and up, this kind of just more goes across, almost like straight. So on the bag, however, it kind of does that. On this, it just kind of goes across straight. I've watched, trust me, so many YouTube videos. I've read the purse forums. There's so much detail on this collection because it's epic. But I think that's gorgeous anyway. So it just goes across like so. And then you have it like this. And then obviously I am an absolute Amazon. I am really tall. I'm almost 6 foot, super curvy, curvilicious, and it's going to be tiny, but guess what? I don't care. I will do another video with what fits inside and mod shots and things like that, I suppose, a little bit later on. I'm just going to talk you a quick story time about it. So when it came out, obviously completely in love with it. Completely in love with it. Wanted the bag, the large bag size. I'll throw these all in when I'm talking about them. In black. I wanted to go classic, get the bag, right? And like my Game On. Then I was like, I have my Game On. And then I was like, because it's a heart, I want it to be more novelty. I'll go into the boutique. Didn't get into the boutique. It sold out in the boutique. I'm happy to pay a reseller's fee because I know that's their business and that's what they're doing. They're reselling. And look, you know, this is where I want to have chats, okay? This is where I want to gossip with you guys because I know so much, and us, you know, fashion bloggers or whatever, luxury collectors know so much. Don't think Chanel cares. Okay, so many people out there think, oh my God, resellers, they're just marking up Chanel doesn't care. They're making the sale. They don't care. Trust me. I have so many response videos as well. I've had a lot of DMs. I know I'm going off topic. I've had a lot of DMs to do response videos. I think my friend Alex did a video, HRH, she did a video saying handbags are over. People wanted me to respond straight away. I've been moving house. If you follow my channel, it's been hell. We're renovating. I was gonna respond or try and do a video straight away. I'll get to it. Trust me. Trust me. She's my girl. We're tight, but I will respond to that. Because you gotta understand commerce, okay? They don't give a shit. They don't care. They're making the sale. They don't care what you think. They just want to sell. So with the reseller, that's the situation. It is up to the customer whether they want it bad enough to pay the resale price. So naturally, a reseller is going to put a markup on it. That's their job. And then be able to get to that unattainable market that can't get to Chanel boutiques. Does that make sense? Chanel don't sell online. This is the biggest. I have completely I've gone off course. I've gone off track, but you understand what I'm trying to say. I wanted this in the large in black. I got over that, figured I was doubling up. By the time I got around to it, obviously the boutique had sold out. They have high clients. All my contacts in Beijing and Hong Kong, they had sold out. They've got high clients. Then I decided I wanted the small in purple. Okay. Fell in love with the 22S purple. OMG. What? I am crazy. It's almost like when I went for my Fairy Floss pink Chanel classic small double flap and my pearls. Like everyone was like, what, Jerusha? Like iconic black went pink. Same thing. I was like, I want it in purple. Then it became this obsession. I was like, I need it in purple. I need it in purple. I was talking to everyone I know. They're like, oh my God, Jerusha, yes. One of my reseller friends had it, but her markup was massive. Didn't want to go ridiculously over retail, but naturally there's, you know, with a reseller, you're going to be paying a premium. You just are. That's the way it is. And if you're happy with that, you're happy with that. So that's fine. Don't let anyone come for you. Trust me. I am going to go in. Okay, I got opinions, girl. So this is the black in the lambskin. This, I feel like this is, it's lambskin, but it's not like that butter. It's buttery, but it's not like that scared of getting like a mini flap. I don't know how to put it. It's almost like a little bit tougher. It is still absolutely stunning, buttery, soft and smooth. So this is the small black in lambskin. Yes, I still want a purple small. I don't know why. I don't know what is wrong with me. I am mad, but I still do. However, I was lucky enough to score one of these from Amir, and I am, you know, obviously so blessed to be able to hold this in my hand, blessed to be able to do this job, blessed to be able to afford these handbags. No one is complaining. Okay, so if you stayed till the end, like I said, I am doing a giveaway. This is Second Life Jewels. I'll have to do cutaways. My lights are blowing it out completely. We got my ring light back. I partnered with them a little while ago, and they have generously given me one of their repurposed jewels to give away to you guys. This is luxury, okay? This is a piece of luxury that has been repurposed into another item. So a necklace, or they do belts, they do earrings. I will link the site below, but it is gorgeous. I'll hold them up here so you can see, but this is what they do. So you can see the Dior lock. So that would have been on maybe, you know, a belt or the edge of a bag, maybe those like Dior, the Dior charm bags. This could have been on the lock, like the vintage bag. They've taken it off and repurposed it into a necklace on a beautiful wheat chain. It's so gorgeous. And this CC, this Chanel coin, probably would have been on like a coin bracelet or a coin belt. You can even see the oxidizing on the back of it to show you that it's vintage. All of this is authentic vintage. It comes with their authenticity card to show you that it is an authentic piece of luxury that they have repurposed from a vintage item. I'm giving away one of these pieces inside this box. I don't know what it is, I haven't opened it, but I'm going to do cutaways of the ones that they sent me when I partnered with them, and this one is for you guys. Now follow me on both YouTube and Instagram and follow Second Life Jewels, and you will have the chance to win one of these amazing repurposed vintage luxury jewellery pieces. I hope you enjoyed my Chanel unboxing of my 22S heart bag accessory amazingness, which is just swirling around everywhere. I want to finish this video by saying embrace it. Embrace it. Trust me when I say I'm going on a different angle with this channel, it's because I want everybody to sit down and listen, okay? Class is in session. I just want everybody to sit down. I get told all the time that I'm like old school YouTuber, luxury, that, you know, 12 years, original. I want to tell you how it is. Like, I want you to sit down and listen and learn in a commerce sense, in a business sense, in a pyramid scheme. There is so much more to these empire luxury brands, and I mean empire, okay? What LVMH owns is beyond, okay? And it's like the judgment, it's not equal to their ginormous power. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you wish to do so, I would love that. There is a link below. If you like this video, guys, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Giving us thumbs up is so important now on YouTube. It just shows we're in good standing and you like our content. So I hope everybody is staying safe and doing really well out there, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Peace.